Hi there, I'm Sam, a native English speaker from the United States, currently living and teaching here in beautiful Thailand. If you've ever felt your stomach drop when you have to speak English in a meeting, or if you constantly overthink your grammar before opening your mouth, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you stop feeling nervous and start speaking with genuine confidence. What makes my lessons unique is that I bring real-world experience into our classroom. Before becoming a certified English instructor, I spent over 20 years working in the financial services industry in the United States. Because of that background, I know exactly what it takes to communicate effectively in a corporate environment. If you want to ace a life-changing interview, deliver a powerful boardroom presentation, or lead high-stakes work meetings, I will give you the exact vocabulary, idioms, and cultural nuances you need to build instant credibility. But here is the most important part. You do not need to be an advanced speaker to work with me. In fact, I love working with lower level and intermediate students as well. Through my formal training and teaching locally in Thailand, I have mastered the art of breaking down complex grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation into simple, actionable steps. My classroom is a completely judgment-free zone, whether you are a beginner building your very first sentences or a professional refining your fluency. We will go at your pace. Every lesson we do is interactive and tailored entirely to your specific goals. We will practice real-world conversations, use practical vocabulary that you will actually use, and build your confidence from day one. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest in yourself and your career. Book a trial lesson with me today and let's map out a strategy to reach your goals together. I can't wait to meet you in class. Bye for now.